Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to put your iPad mini 7 into DFU mode. If your iPad has a broken system and you want to fix it via your MacBook or Windows PC, you can put it in DFU mode. But only do it if you really need to put it into DFU mode. And to do it, you'll need to first connect it to a computer. It can be Mac or a PC via a cable. So let's plug in the cable. And now you'll need to first force restart it. And I'm gonna explain all the steps. So you need to press on power volume up, volume down, then the power press and hold on the power button, and as soon as the screen goes down, start pressing on the volume down for 4 seconds, exactly 4 seconds, then keep pressing the volume down but release the power. You can watch the video a few times. I'm gonna try to do it as visible as I can. So volume up, volume down, power, keep pressing, now volume down, 1, 2, 3, 4, release power, keep pressing volume down, and it did work. It may not work for the first time, so you may need to try doing it one more time and so on until it works. But in my case it works, and my MacBook shows that your Mac has detected an iPad in DFU mode, and you can restore it there. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.